Okay guys, so you're watching here's a simple HTML code in which if I open my elements, so here's my HTML code. So you're watching here's a table. So it's created by HTML. So how it's created. So if I hover like this and watching here's student data. So when I have using and if I press on it, so watching it's an H1 heading which there's written student data. After that, I have written some comments, and after that, there's I am creating a table which borrower is one, which means here's a borrower. After it, there's a t head tag in which I give the headings. So I've given four headings. So here you can watch its ID, name, age, and grade. So I can also show you in my code. So if I zoom in, okay, come zoom over here. So if I open T head, so there are TR tag, and inside TR tag, there's a TH tag which tells us that I can write it. So TH tag, so inside which I tell everything. So this is the for ID. So here's for name, here's for age, and here's for grade. After that, there's and the T head closing tag, and after that, there's T body starting tag. So the first row of student data, I would write TR tag for it, and inside it, I would write TD because it was TH for table heading, and here's TD for table data. So I am writing its ID, which is so far I TD1. So it is writing in the first column. After that, I've been writing John Doe, so it's writing here. It's the second column. After that, I'm writing the age, which is 80, and the grade. So A. After that, it's second, and there's third. So this is how my code is working, and after that you can see a script tag. So if I open my code, there's no script tag inside it. It's just that code. So how is it generated? So if I show you my hair, so you are watching its hairs and comment code injected by live server. So it's telling it to live reload. Watching it's the code of JavaScript which tells and this text tells it's JavaScript. So now you're watching. It's over here. So it's generated by that. So this is how I can create a table. So now let me create another table, which I am creating for. I can create a table for. Let me think. Oh, I can add recipes. Is oh, it would be harder. So let me think. Another one. I can write. I can. Okay, I can write for marks. Inside it, I would. So first I would write table water equals to 1. It's not an important argument, so I would write table header in which I can now write. Okay, let me just change something so that you should know I can keep it the same. It's hard for you to understand that type of tables. So inside it, th, I would write IT name, age and grade. But so you're watching T-body, the first row of student data would be created by TR. So I can write, if I write multi-TR tag, so you're watching for one multi tag. So T, T, table data, and inside it I write A plus. Okay, so now let me, oh, watching it showing another A plus over here, and I haven't defined any table header over here, so it's just creating an empty tag. So now if I can add as many as I want, but I can even don't add any. I can even remove one. So if I now open my code one, so watching it's just keeping it empty. This is just the difference. So that's how I work. it works. So if I remove the first one, which is the one, back now let me remove the first one. So the name would be instead. So the last, it would think that John Doe is the ID and 18 is the name and A is the age and grade. There's no grade given. So if I open it, so you as you're watching, John Doe is the ID, 18 is the name, and A is the age, and there's no grade. So that's how it works. So it works by order. So the first one would come in the first, and the second one would come at the second. So this is how my code is working. So keep practicing and keep learning, and I would give you a practice question inside my description. So please do it, and you can send the code inside the output code inside the comment section. And bye. Okay.